Drywall contractors lose a lot of time when estimating jobs, scheduling crews, and tracking materials through texts, spreadsheets, and paper notes, instead of one system built for fast-moving interior construction work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits drywall contractors, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle residential builds, commercial interiors, and punch list work. Most drywall businesses need 5 core things from software: accurate estimating, job scheduling, crew coordination, material tracking, and invoicing that can be sent immediately after work phases are completed. Construction-focused project management or field service software fits best because drywall work is repetitive, volume-based, and often tied to strict project timelines. Estimating is one of the most important features. Drywall jobs depend on square footage, sheet type, labor rates, finishing level, and waste factors, so software that standardizes estimates helps reduce underbidding and missed costs. Material tracking matters just as much. Drywall projects use sheets, joint compound, tape, screws, and finishing supplies, so tracking what is assigned to each job helps prevent shortages and reorders during installs. Scheduling is critical because drywall work often happens in phases like hanging, taping, mudding, and sanding. Software that organizes these phases helps crews stay aligned and avoid downtime between steps. Crew coordination is another key feature. Multiple crews often work on different rooms or floors at the same time, so a clear system helps prevent overlap and keeps production moving smoothly. Job tracking is important because drywall projects often run across multiple days. Software that shows progress by phase helps supervisors see what's complete and what still needs finishing work. Invoicing is a key part of cash flow. The best systems let you invoice after each completed phase, which helps you get paid faster on longer commercial projects. Mobile access is essential because crews need to check job details, update progress, and log issues directly from the field without calling the office. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which is useful for showing before and after finishes, identifying defects, and keeping records for client approvals. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between basic scheduling tools and full construction management platforms. Basic tools are easier to set up, while full platforms give stronger control over phases, materials, and crew coordination. The right choice depends on how complex your jobs are. Smaller drywall businesses often prioritize estimating and scheduling. Larger operations benefit more from phase tracking, crew coordination, and material management. A practical next step is to look at how often your projects slow down between hanging, finishing, and sanding stages. If that happens often, phase tracking and scheduling should be your top priority. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.